show to tell. I can film.
Yeah, okay, well.
Yeah, I mean, this is your haul.
Alright.
I have 4 of my own pieces in the truck.
Have you?
If you're interested in their show and
well,
tell.
let's have show and tell. Yeah, you bet. I love it.
Pieces.
These, through some amount of trading. More to the story. Rear armrests, I believe.
For
60 Fury.
only 60? Or are they like 58?
No, I think they're 60, 62 Plymouth and Dodge and Chrysler.
Oh,
I believe.
well, that's good. Those are probably hard to find.
They're hard to find because the upholstery is easy to fix, but you need the plastic.
Yeah. And you don't have a 3D printer yet.
No, everybody talks about them.
Yeah, I think they're actually crap.
To me, a 3D printer, I have a whole can of 3D printer in the shop there that we can mix up and we can make anything, right?
Kitty hair?
Kitty hair is 3D printer.
Yeah, it is.
It's analog 3D printer. Look at these.
Yeah, let's.
From the swap meet.
Oh, man.
I wasn't even looking for 60 Fury hubcaps. I really wasn't because mine are so good. But these
are better.
are like new. Look at, like not
Full
just
set of
one.
4, that
Full
condition?
set of 4. Okay,
shit.
now, you know, if those were mine, they wouldn't be for sale. But if they were,
Yeah, that's crazy.
no, I don't even want to say what I paid for these.
Why not? You can edit it out.
Okay. The guy, so nice.
Yeah.
He said, I gotta have $10 each.
Yeah, fucking right on.
$10 each.
Yeah, that's sweet. Great deal.
Yeah. So exciting. And yeah, like you keep looking for the ruined one. There's
Yeah.
not. So
Excellent.
I don't think there's a single one on my car that's better than any of these.
Oh, those
And
are
if there is, I'll mix and match. But I mean,
Yeah. That's wild.
that is awesome. So you don't always. I wasn't looking for them, and frankly, didn't really need them. But how was I going to leave those there? Like, so you want to take your very good ones and replace them with excellent ones?
Yes.
It's just
Unless
crazy.
you're me. I traded off my best hubcaps to Don for his Cooper so I could have his worst hubcaps. Because I thought they suited my car better.
It was the nice thing to do, though. You
It
did it
is.
because you wanted to help Don. I got these. These are for me as well. So
No fucking CVs.
they're not even. I don't know what's actually in there. Nice fellow with the swap though.
Dun dun dun.
For the Citroen.
Oh yeah, those
For
are
the
nice.
DS. Yeah, those are cool, eh? Oh, you know what this is? This is the match to, I think, what's in the Mercedes, the Jim's Mercedes, the black one.
Oh, it's possible, sure.
I believe that's, oh man, I'm gonna hold Jimmy hostage. I wish I had a pair though, that's the thing. This is more like what's in the DS. So those are nice old girls. Little crunchy. Oh, the old type with the metal reflectors.
Yeah.
That's cool. So anyway, little crunchy, but nevertheless, a vintage headlight. So, in the spirit of slightly tatty headlights and such, I thought,
Lovely boxes.
cool though, hey? So anyway, fun stuff. And again,
Absolutely.
not really, not
Pretty
pay in
fun.
the world. Same
I
place.
collected lots of cool old headlights this winter. 3
I
sets.
thought for my buddy Al, maybe he would like the sweet Carello. These are Lucas, I believe. Yeah.
Lucas Corello, just like those other lights.
Right? For
Those
the
are
old,
rad.
for your dad's car.
For the Sunbeam, these would
Yeah.
be sweet.
So they're a little tatty, but
Yeah,
you know, those would clean up
those are pretty cool.
even if you chromed the back. They're real.
Yeah, those are sweet.
nice. Anyway,
Yeah, man.
they. Who else was gonna buy those?
Yeah, those are sweet. Give $75 for that pair.
No, you just take them.
Sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Yeah, those are rad. I like how they don't have much yellow left in them. Like they're
Oh
wet,
yeah,
you know?
They're originally bright yellow.
Yeah, they would have been like those like bright ambers.
Oh, okay.
It's cool.
That's cool. No.
They look like antique now.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, I don't think they'll clean up enough though. It looks like it's sat on a
No,
wet
it
box.
needs chrome for sure.
Yeah, for the quality of car you're doing.
for the Sunbeam.
But the rest of it'll save. This is stainless, I believe. But anyway, that's the only bad corner on this one. The one for that they would clean up,
Yeah, it's true.
but it's just that looks like something was there.
Yeah.
So that's
As well.
all that we got from Swap
cool.
Meet Show and Tell for this one.
That's everything you got from the swap meet.
No, I got some more stuff, but I don't know. This is what was laying out in the trunk of the car. But those hubcaps,
Those hubcaps are sweet.
I never,
No.
I didn't even look at
How
them at
the
first.
hell? Yeah,
I
they're
saw
in
that he
such
had
good
a set, and
shape.
I'm like, mine are so good, I'm not even looking. And then I had to look, and I'm looking, and I'm like, where's all the dents and the, like the paint is original, and it's not even fade. Like you go through a couple of those automatic car washes, and that stuff is gone.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So those are very low mile. That's some low mileage wheel covers. So those are going to get polished up. Man, the car's getting a little princessy.
A little bit.
Hey?
A little bit.
But
No, you
again,
can't turn it down.
if he had wanted 100, I probably would have left them there. Because
Yeah.
at least then they weren't in danger of getting thrown out. Because at $100, he knew what they were worth. $40.
Yeah, no, that's almost on the way to the garbage
If it
can.
makes the car 1% better, then it's worth $40. I mean,
Yeah.
anyhow. Yeah, so these I traded to the fellow there. A fellow named Stan, who's also restoring a 60 Fury, traded me these. He needed a transmission. He's doing a 60 Fury, and his transmission was not usable, so we traded him the transmission, and I got he bought us lunch, and I got these sweet armrests, and I got that transmission out of my yard,
Nice.
and his car gets closer to being finished.
Sweet.
So, in the spirit of the generosity that people have shown to this project, like the pieces that I get in the mail are like, you know, better than I would buy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anyway, let's put this away
Yeah,
and
let's.
and then see what you got.
Okay.
Okay, that looks good.
That looks
Yeah.
great, Scott.
I'm not thrilled about having a big triangle on the car, but it's just, that's the law, and you
The
know,
dude abides.
well, this one almost makes sense. You know, I mean, this law is defensible. What are you doing there?
I'm trying to get the fucking
Well,
zip
here.
tie going.
There, now put the
Jesus.
thing back in before you pull on it, or we're just gonna have to start again. God
Take
damn
this
it.
off, and every
I'm
car
not taking it off. It's
show.
never coming off. Yeah.
Every car
Fuck
show, he's gonna
that.
take it off. Fucking do this. Sit here for 30 minutes,
No,
fucking
never
swearing.
I guess if I'm at one for the whole day, which I'll never be, but if I'm going to the fucking 7-Eleven cruise thing, no, this can stay on. Fuck that. What a pain in the ass. There, well, there. Nobody can say.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it ain't gonna fall off. That's all I care.
There.
Whatever.
Looks fucking
Safe.
crappy.
Safe.
Looks so safe.
Yeah, I think you just need to find a good old weathered one to match the thing better. It's like often a fucking implement. So you're gonna buy that other Citroen?
No, I don't think so.
It looks like a piece of shit. Dean sent it to me, and I said, I'm the fucking liaison for the English cars department. Can you please pass this link on to the French car department?
Exactly.
And Dean was like, oh yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. Why would he send it to you?
I don't know. I thought that was kind of fun.
What are we looking at here?
I'll put it right there.
All right.
Start with the least interesting thing.
Oh yeah.
Gaskets.
Yeah, that's water out. Oh, you put the head back together.
Twin SU carburetor, fucking
Oh, that's cool.
door steps.
Oh yeah, Mr. Chang.
Mr. Doorstep guy.
Oh, United Kingdom. Yeah, those look decent. You certainly couldn't make them for what they got. Oh, look at this. Oh my
This is the
god.
more interesting parts.
Cool.
The fucking,
That's a decent looking pop, eh?
well, that's a heritage.
Yeah, so that's legit.
See, that's a fucking heritage panel.
This
Well,
has actually got all
It's
the
actually a
nice.
thing.
It's actually decent, yeah.
I know. Yeah,
Have
those
you
are
opened it up yet?
Yeah, of course.
Let's have it. Oh, look at there's some
between.
springs in there.
We got some broken springs. We got some
got some-
jets.
Oh. Yeah,
Needle
yeah.
and seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not too bad then.
It's not the full service kit. It doesn't have the throttle shafts and everything. But,
Oh yeah.
That's
No,
okay.
you don't need that.
I think they're fine.
Yeah, cool.
And
That's gonna be an awesome setup.
addition.
Done any more on your manifold yet?
No, it's sitting here still. Right there on the floor of the truck. That wasn't that long ago we did that.
I know. Good stuff. Okay, well, you must have put lots of these in.
Few, yeah. Couple few.
Couple few.
Yeah, pair of quarters, pair of door steps, head gasket, and then I'll do a subframe, rear subframe change out.
In this car?
Yeah, why?
Is it wrecked?
It's I pumped a curb with it years ago.
Yeah.
Bent the radius arm in.
Uh-huh.
And I used a porta power and a fucking trailer to fucking make it work.
Got her out there.
And
It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.